Hey there, this is Frank Velasquez with AHN Sports Performance and Physical Therapy. I'm here with the crew from FitLabPGH, and we're going to go over some rotator cuff exercises. So with my baseball background, anyone that's an overhead athlete, we're firm believers that if you're a baseball or softball player, the number one drill you can do for your rotator cuff is throwing a baseball or softball. That's why your throwing program is so important, taking 4 to 6 weeks to get your arm ready for the season. Now, the exercises that we do supplement our throwing program. So real easy, we do 6 different exercises with our overhead athletes. We put a rolled up towel under their arm, and it's more just to help keep their arm in place so they don't lose form while they're doing the exercise. The first and most important of the exercises is what we call external rotation, really working that posterior cuff and the muscles in back of the shoulder. We'll do that 10 to 12 repetitions. We'll turn around and we'll do our internal rotation, just the opposite, where we're starting out, bringing the band in, keeping a 90-degree bend in our elbow. So we'll do 10 to 12 there. Again, with the towel underneath our arm. Take the towel out, face the attachment on the wall, and we do our extension. So we remember to retract first, and then take our straight arm into an extended position, still working that posterior cuff. So if we're doing this drill, we do those 3, we'll go and do something else with our athlete, we'll come back, and we will do the next 3, which would be the external rotation now more in a throwing position, staggered stance, retract, elbow, external rotation. So we call this external rotation 90-90, 90-degree bend in the elbow, 90-degree bend in the shoulder. So we'll do 10 to 12 of these. We'll come back with the towel, do our internal rotation. And then our final one, our 6th one, we get rid of the towel, we go low attachment on the wall, and we do what we call a reverse throwing pattern, or reverse D2, where we're up here, external, or eccentric strength for our posterior shoulder, kind of unwinding, working that posterior chain. Counterbalances all the throwing that we do, we're working on reversing it and working on the backside. And that is our shoulder resistive tubing. You want to make sure when you pick your tubing that it's not too light or not too heavy. You don't want to go through it and there's really nothing going on, or if you're really trying to do it and you have to lose form just to do 1 or 2 reps, you want to be somewhere in the middle there. Pick your resistance.